Why does food never come to my side? Why do you always block my path?
Bro, your side is for breathing. If food goes there, we're all goners.
Come on, can I at least get a little taste? I love grapes.
No, not even a little. Why are you trying to grab that?
Finally, let's see what this tastes like.
When food enters your airway instead of your esophagus, the body immediately triggers a strong cough reflex. This reflex helps push the food back out to protect the lungs from choking or infection.